I'm going to show you guys something. I went to go put a soda in the fridge to get a cold for later and open the thing to this. Yep, we had a fire in the refrigerator. I don't know if this is actually the fridge itself, which I don't think it's the fridge itself. As you see, there's nothing in there smoke-wise. So I just thought I'd share. Let me give you another look. Don't know why this happened, but it happened. Crazy, huh? I don't know. I do not know why, how it caught fire and stuff like that. Matter of fact, I don't think Gary didn't even make eggs. He made a potato, a hash brown patty, and he made bacon. There was no eggs out there, so I don't know how that happened. Unless that light bulb's too much. Maybe. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe over there somewhere.